Hi everyone, so a few days ago I was trying to migrate my portfolio website from version 2 of Gatsby to version 3, and while I was following this guide I had encountered a certain point where it says that you have to manually update the Gatsby related packages, and that point is this one. And since I'm using quite a few packages which are related to Gatsby, and since I'm using NPM, I thought it could be a nice idea and a fun challenge to mimic the Yarn interactive behavior, which, by the way, this behavior of Yarn lets you select the packages that you want to be updated. And in my case, I wouldn't like to have all the packages updated, but only the Gatsby related ones. So I thought it could be nice to share this idea with you. Of course, my way of doing things can have improvements, but it did a job for me, so let's jump right into it. This is my portfolio website, and this is my package.json. And here, as you can see, Gatsby is already updated because this was the first step in the migration guide. But now here we have the other Gatsby related packages which I want to be updated. And the way I did this is to first use npm outdated, which will give me the outdated commands, the outdated packages, I'm sorry. And as you can see, there are a lot of them, and of course I wouldn't like to copy each package name and then type npm install and all that stuff. No. And the way I did this is to first grab the package name from this command. So if we were to take a look at a random line like this one, here we have the package name, the current version, the wanted, and the latest. From this line, I could easily grab the package name, and if I have the package name, I could type npm install package name at latest, because in this case I want the latest version of it. And the way to do this interactively is to use xargs. There is a bash command I will show you right now, and this is the command, and this is the flag which allows us to run the command interactively, which means that it will only run the command, which will see which command, but it will only run the command if we type y, either lowercase or uppercase. So let me show you how I did it. So first, from the npm outdated command, I would like to first get rid of the first line, because from this first line I don't need anything. So from this I could use the set command, and I could tell it to delete the first line. The way I do this is by first mentioning the line number. In this case, it is the first line, and the command that I want set to run for the first line, in this case, is to delete the first line. So by running these commands, I will only get this part of the npm outdated command. And there you go. Now I would like to get the package name. If we were to look at this line, for example, from the package name and the version and the wanted version, the current version, between them there are a bunch of spaces. What I would like to do is to only grab the package name. So I could easily do a cut command and specify the delimiter, which would be a space. But since there are many spaces here, it doesn't matter, because I essentially want the first part, which will always be the package name. So it doesn't matter if between the package name and the version there is only one space instance or multiple space instances. the first part after cutting the entire line will be the package name, and we can see it in a moment. So what this command will essentially do is to split the line by spaces and take the first part, which will always be the package name. Right, so now that we have the package names, what we can do now is to use the xargs command, and what we want to do now is to get the package name as a variable. And to do this, I will use the -i command, and basically this square brackets will match to the package name, to each package name. And now that we have it, we can run npm install the package name, which will be represented by these square brackets, and then I will type at latest, because we want the latest version of each package, or almost each package. And there's also a flag which I have to use, legacy peer depths, and I have to use it because, as far as I have understood, some old packages still reference an older version of Gatsby, and in order for npm to not throw an error, I have to use this flag. Now if I run this command like it is right now, it will update each package. So this is not what I want. I only want to update the Gatsby related packages, and in order to do that, I will use that p flag, which will make the yards command interactive. And here we can hopefully see it. So it will first ask us if we want to update this package, and I will type no, because I said that I only want to update the Gatsby related packages. Still no. And now this is a Gatsby package, and I will want to update it, and I will type yes, and now it will update the package, and hopefully it won't take too long. But it is already done, and now it will ask us for the next package, and I will type yes again, and it will once again update this package. And basically that's it for what I wanted to show you. The interesting part of it is using a few bash commands in order to achieve an interactive behavior, which I think is pretty nice. Of course, there might be many things to improve on my approach. For example, like showing the latest version as well. But anyways, for me, it did the job. And once again, I thought it would be nice to share with you. And if you take a look at the package JSON file, you can see that the Gatsby image and the Gatsby plugin manifest both have been updated. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.